So before cleaning the brushes, these questions may come to your mind that why you should clean your brushes, how often you should clean your brushes, and the method, like how you can clean your brushes. So definitely I will answer these all questions one by one for you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Rapid Stylist. So you must be wondering why this girl looks like this, over dramatic. So let me tell you, I just filmed my Instagram video, so if you're interested then you can follow me on my Instagram as well. Link you will find in the description. Now today I'm going to share with you how to clean makeup brushes. So to be honest, I love doing makeup, I love everything related to makeup, but I hate to clean the brushes and sponges, basically my makeup tools. So today it's been almost 15 days I didn't clean my brushes because I am doing makeup for almost every day now. That is why I'm not getting time. So today I'm sitting in front of you and cleaning brushes with you. So if you are not cleaning your brushes, then right now clean your brushes with me. Let's get started. Now, why you should clean your makeup brushes? So if you don't clean your makeup brushes regularly, then you will get pimples for sure. Yes. And if you don't want to invite those unwanted guests on your face, then start cleaning your makeup brushes. Okay, the next question is how often you should clean your makeup brushes. So if you're someone who do makeup almost every day and you use your makeup brushes to do your makeup, then you should clean your makeup brushes every single week. Like every week you should clean your brushes. And if you're someone who do not do makeup every single day, like you do makeup occasionally, then you can clean your brushes depending on the frequency of your makeup. Now the third and the most important questions among all is how you can clean your makeup brushes. So I'm promising you the method I'm going to show you in this video are very quick and easy. It will not take you more than 10 minutes. So yes, let's see what are the methods. Okay, so the very first method which I'm going to show you is spot cleaning. Like you are in hurry and suddenly you notice that there is pigments on your eyeshadow brush. So you can do this method, you can follow this method. So it's very easy. Like right now I have this brush with me and it's very dirty. So for this all you need a texture cloth or texture mat, whatever you have. So right now I have this mat with me. So first just dust it off the pigment like this. I don't know you can see, but after dusting the pigment almost gone. Now what you have to do is rub the brush on the texture mat like so. And by doing this, there will be no pigments after this. Just rub and rub, and the brush will be clean in no second. So yes, right now I hope you can see. So the brush is ready to use now. Okay, the next method is also very easy and quick. So I have this brush with me right now and you can see there is pigment going on. So all you need is a wet wipe. Alright, so what you have to do just to rub the brush on the wet wipe. You can see, right? So this is very easy and it's very quick. So So you can apply this method when you are in a hurry.
As you can see, my brushes are so dirty. So previous two methods were for eyeshadow brushes that will not work for your heavy duty brushes. So for that, here I have taken some hot water. Into that I'm mixing some shampoo. You can add anything like dishwash or body wash. Then I'm adding some coconut oil. You can add any oil to break down the makeup. Then mix these two ingredients into the hot water and then add your brushes into that mixture. Then you can leave your brushes for 5 minutes. After leaving the brushes for few minutes, you can see the color of the water changed. It's mean the brushes are almost clean. Now I am doing an extra step. I'm just rubbing the brushes on a texture mat. If you haven't any, then you can skip the step. Now again I'm cleaning the brushes under the tap water. Here I'm doing the same thing for my makeup sponges as well. So you can see my brushes and sponges are so clean after this simple and quick process.
Thank you so much for watching the whole video. I hope you guys have found this video helpful. If so, then please like, share Rapid Stylist with your friends, and most importantly subscribe to my channel Rapid Stylist. It's absolutely free, and don't forget to press the bell icon right next to the subscribe button. See you guys soon on my next video. Till then, bye and happy cleaning.